last few days I've been working when I get the chance to make the frames for the water tanks. So I'll just show you where I'm up to. Alrighty. Well, that rope looks alright. So this is where the water tanks will be. A 90 litre and a 60 litre. 60 litre is going to slide in on top, in there. And to hold it all in, I've made these frames that will suspend under here. And in each of those, you can see there, reinforced it with some angle iron. So there'll be a frame at the end and a frame in here. But for this one to work, because the water tank sticks out slightly, I've had to make these brackets that will bolt it under the hat channel, whatever it is called, and then the last end frame will suspend on that. To reinforce these, just welded some angle. And under here will be a crush plate. Probably a little bit extreme, but it does sit slightly below the body of the bus. It's upside down at the moment, and it will go a little bit higher. But yeah, just wanted to make sure that they will not go anywhere. And underneath that bottom tank, I'm thinking of using aluminium composite paneling to bend into shape and protect it. And to hold that up, I'll explain a little bit more. These frames will have bolts under there, another one's from there. I've got to work out the positioning for the bottom tank here, but this is for the top tank, this is for the bottom tank. I've got some hat channel that will slide onto here, nut and washer, and the tank will sit on top of the hat channel. Same for the bottom one. But below the tank will be the plate, the aluminium plate, and then the channel, nuts and washers. Hope that makes sense. We'll see if it fits. Alrighty, they're in. I'm just going to hand the camera to Finn. Alright. Okay. So, shine it up. Finn's just helped me bolt in these frames, so if you can see over here, Finn, you can point it down here.
Where are they?
To these bits. Yep, they've been bolted in. Can you show everyone that frame down there?
Yeah.
Yep. Right. There. So, as I was saying before, water tank will sit in here, and there'll be hat channel under here, bolted up to secure the tank up into the space, and the floor will be on top. Alright. And the bottom one will also have the same. Got to drill some holes, drop some bolts, hat channel underneath.
And maybe fix the frame too.
You go Finn, you want to stand up? And we'll just show everyone the other part.
Yeah, over there.
So Noah, do you want to step over across that way, matey?
Just how do I get across?
Yep, back to this white section, Finn.
Ah,
Oh,
I'll
there's
get
the torch.
oh, that's scary.
Okay, so this is the brackets that I put in. Across there, across there. Unfortunately, I measured the holes for this one here to be the same as the other bracket on the other side. So they didn't line up because of the framing had a bit of a bump and the hole was in a different spot. But all good. I'll just re-drill that hole there, and we'll be good to go. Get the plate bent up, get the hat channel cut, get these primed and painted. Noah's favourite colour, and that will be the water tanks done.
Red is my favourite colour.
But you like red?
Yeah.
Sweet. What colour would you paint it, Finn?
Blue.
Blue.
Red stands out.
Thanks, guys.
Yahoo! Okay, we are painting these metal things. What are they called? What are they called, Dad? They're called
Water tank frames.
water tank frames. Dun-dun-dun. And start talking, Noah. Hi, my name's Noah. This is my dad, and this has been recording. So we're just painting some stuff for the water tank, and yeah.
What's this stuff do?
So it's very red. Yes, it is very red.
What's this?
It's rust guard, and when we dun dun dun, and so when we go on the bus, and if it gets rusty, that won't get rusty and like disintegrate for a long time.
Yep.
For a long time. Yeah.
How many? If this is one coat, how many coats do you think we're going to need to do?
I think about like 2 or 3.
Looks a bit messy at the moment.
Dun, dun. 3. Dun. Dun.
Good job, Lucas. Yep. What you doing?
And this is for the bus to do.